it's Savannah Rain here, back with another video. This is part 2 of fidget train with Bunny, Chocolate Bunny. So,
yeah guys, so, I had 10, you tell them I can't. Tell them.
She just had like 10. She has. Okay, but she has 10,000 fidgets. She has 10,000 fidgets. Just kidding.
No, I don't.
She just has a lot. I don't know.
But I really love fidgets that she has. So yeah.
Bro, I'm jealous of you.
Bro, I'm jealous of you.
Turn my bedroom light on, please, because it's like dark in here. My camera roll cannot even see. Okay, good. Shut the door. Shut the door. And I'm still wearing my sweatshirt from outside. We went outside like 3 hours ago, guys.
My baby's
okay, so I'm gonna get my fidgets out, so I'll be right back. Oh, God, I need to pop this. Okay. Oh, it just popped. Okay. Oh my gosh, I hate like fidget train on the bed because. Oh. Anyways. Oh no.
That's a lot of fidgets.
Okay, let me get this out.
That's like a squishmallow, right?
No, it's a flip-ums.
To me, it looks like a squish.
Yeah, well, it's flip-ums.
I'm happy you got more fidgets.
Okay. I just threw the bag on the floor. Okay, so who's gonna go first?
I'll be okay.
Okay. I'm going to start off by trying the strawberry poppet. What do you offer? Wait, no. Hold on. Let's restart and no talking, okay? In 3, 2, 1.
Where'd it go?
And then, we should put these like in a pile. Come on, but like we should put them in a pile where like we can both see them.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, so I'll just put these. Hold on.
Put mine right here.
Well, it's not yours. It's mine. And this, guys, this is pretend, so don't like get your hopes up. So.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I always film, but today I can't because my storage is full pretty much.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, well, I'll trade you.
No talking. Okay, in 3, 2, 1.
What? Bottle in here?
I don't know.
What is this? Oh.
It's my bag.
Sorry, but I have to look for it. And your guys' food is ready too. Sorry.
Well, guys, we'll make a part 2. Well, actually, a part 3 later. So, Yeah, bye guys.